The Amazfit Band 5 is a budget fitness tracker, and it has all the same core fitness tracking and smartwatch features, but also comes with a few extras. Most notably, Amazon Alexa and the ability to measure blood oxygen levels. Without further ado, let's get started. This tracker consists of a 1.1-inch touchscreen AMOLED display enclosed in a polycarbonate case that contains all the sensors. There is only one control option, which is a button underneath. Using the display indoors and outdoors is a pleasant experience because it is bright and clear. There are 3 colors to choose from: black, orange, and green. The Amazfit Band 5's most watch faces will display the time and date, along with your step count or heart rate and many more. You may also check today's price and complete specifications through the link in the description. The Amazfit Band 5 is user-friendly and somewhat accurate in counting steps, but only fair in heart rate monitoring. We found it was pretty simple to pair, interact with, and connect to a charger with newer versions of cell phones. At the same time, it passed the water immersion test claimed by the manufacturer. In a nutshell, the performance score is 70 out of 100. After analyzing the user comments, we discovered that Band 5's main selling points are affordable, lightweight, and comfortable design, Amazon Alexa, and health monitoring features. On the other hand, the user is often dissatisfied with the lack of GPS, small text, and manual triggering of exercise modes. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with more shopping advice soon, so stay tuned.